This is Wode Maya.
Like at our river, it feels so much like you just landed in Ghana. Legendary Makasabi.
Does he look like him? Makasabi.
Super excited to be here. It was emotional, but now.
Journey to Jamaica.
Oh, superstar in Jamaica. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Oh, now, yeah? Traveling can be stressful sometimes, or should I say traveling is always stressful.
Welcome to Just Relax Man, your ultimate destination for unwinding, exploring, and discovering the world through a lens of tranquility. In this vlog, we follow the journey of Wode Maya, a renowned YouTuber from Ghana, as he embarks on his first ever visit to Jamaica. The excitement and anticipation are palpable as Wode Maya sets foot in this vibrant Caribbean island for the very first time.
But anytime I'm about to fly, I get this anxiety of what is going to happen at the airport. Am I going to fly? Will I be able to fly freely? Just because I have an African passport. It's just hell. And the fact that I don't travel alone, I travel with an entire team. You need to make sure that everyone is okay before me. It's 7 o'clock p.m. and I've been in this airport since 2 p.m. and I'm trying to sort this issue out, and it's hell, man. I've spent almost all my money. I think I've spent almost $10,000 trying to get to Jamaica, and I always failed, man. My first ticket was buying Copper Airlines from Brazil to Jamaica, spent over $3,000. I was told that I cannot fly because I have an African passport unless I have a US visa. Yes, I had a US visa, but my team didn't have a US visa. I wasn't able to fly. I had to extend the ticket that I bought already. But now I experienced one of the biggest robbery ever from Caribbean Airlines. And to today, I just can't believe that that airline did that to me. And I'm trying so hard to get my money back, and they are still telling me that, oh, they have a recorded voice that shows that I told them to use a $500 ticket to change a $100 ticket. Like, never seen anything like this before. Never heard anything like this before, man. Like, a ticket that costs over $2,700. They're telling me that I put this ticket on hold, that anytime I'm about to fly, I'll just change it. I picked up a call, I called them and I told them that, hey, I want to change my ticket from Trinidad to Barbados. They are telling me that they used my ticket from Barbados to Jamaica to change my ticket from Trinidad to Barbados, which the ticket costs just $100. How on earth will you use a ticket approximately $600 to change a $100 ticket? I'm so sorry. I hate to do all these things, man. I am a very positive guy. I love Trinidad. I even promoted Caribbean Airlines. I guess I need to spend more. Got the 3 tickets for my team. It's a lot of money, man. Like, it's a lot of money. Like, one person in order to go back to Ghana to buy another ticket from Jamaica to Ghana, it cost you over $1,500 to do that. I just asked my team from back in Ghana to send me money so that I'll be able to get out of here, man. So my guys are already on their way, and I'm the last man remaining. So yeah, I'm just hanging around, just finger crossed, no matter what happened, I'll be in Jamaica. Thank you. Oh my goodness. You know, like, I was so stressed, but just them saying hi, bye-bye, them telling me bye-bye makes me even smile again, man. That's beautiful. You know, that's what I'm saying. I cannot just get pissed or mad just because of, just few people trying to prevent me from flying. The people actually love me, man, like everywhere I go. But other Africans, like the way they treated me the first time I arrived here, not all of us want to stay here. I mean, it's not even a crime for some of us to stay in here, because at the end of the day we are just the same people. But the treatment that you get when you touch down in most of these Caribbean countries that I've been to as an African, it's not a good one. And I don't really want to go into details because that's not why I'm here, and I'm not here to make any country look bad. But I'm just telling you guys that this is not cool. And it's about time we change our ways and accept people for who they are and what they represent, not their appearance or their passport that they're using. How the currency in Trinidad looks like. If you have never seen it before, this is what they call it, sweet TT. This is the currency. You touch it, but it's not yours. It's alright. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, appreciate it. It's time for us to fly. My goodness. I am nervous, because I don't know what's gonna happen next. All I want is to just touch down in Jamaica and go on my knees and start shouting that Jamaica, I am here. But as for now, I can't say anything.
Throughout the vlog, Wode Maya shares his reflections on this transformative journey, expressing gratitude for the opportunity to explore Jamaica and connect with its people. His vlog serves as a testament to the beauty of travel, cultural exchange, and the unifying power of shared experiences across borders.
This is happening. You have no idea. When I touch down in Jamaica, I'm definitely gonna go on my knees, kiss the ground, and raise up my hands and say,
Thank God.
Amen. Jesus.
Yeah, because we literally seek the water, but the plane is landing.
You thought we are landing in the water? She said Jesus. We made it. I don't want to cry, man. I'm not crying. I'm not crying, man. This is an emotional trip. I'm in Jamaica, finally touched down. Spent a lot of money to be here, man. And trust me, no amount of money will stop me from coming. I did all I can. And I'm glad that I never gave up. Welcome to Jamaica, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, Caribbean Airlines welcomes you to Jamaica. We've just landed at Norman Manley International Airport. The local time approximately 10 minutes before the hour of 10 o'clock, which is 1 hour behind the time in Trinidad.
Welcome to Jamaica.
through right now. Like at our arrival, it feels so much like you just landed in Ghana, Kotoka International Airport. I just can't believe that I'm here, man. Just can't believe it. Super excited to be here. It was emotional, but now I'm super excited. It feels like, indeed, I'm back home and seeing all this is what caught my attention. The legendary Marcus Garvey, who had an aim and vision to bring every black person living out of Africa back to the motherland for them to connect. That was one of the fastest immigration. I just had to say I'm a YouTuber, that's it, because I don't want to explain myself too much. Sometimes I don't feel like telling people that I'm a YouTuber, but this time around, because I don't want to answer too many questions, I'm like, hi, say hi, what are you coming to do here? I'm like, I'm a YouTuber from Africa, that's it, pass.
Like him, Marcus Garvey. So funny.
They say I'm the return of Garvey.
Yeah, you look like him.
I'm not.
He does, right?
You look like him.
Do I look like Marcus Garvey?
Yes, you look like Marcus. You look like Marcus.
I really look like Marcus Garvey.
You look like him,
yeah. And he's actually the first national hero of Jamaica. So I guess I'm here. The people of Jamaica news.
Welcome back home.
Thank you.
During his visit, Wode Maya forms meaningful connections with locals, including a special live session with Miss Trudy in Jamaica. These interactions not only showcase the warmth and hospitality of the Jamaican people, but also highlight the power of cross-cultural exchanges and shared experiences.
Oh, superstar in Jamaica. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Home now, yeah?
Hey, babes, in Jamaica, they also know you.
Yes, I know you.
Wow.
Wow, my name is Christopher, and I'm a Jamaican. I'm authorized juice taxi operator.
Okay. So whenever you come in here, make sure
Right.
you get to use his service, man. He's super nice, man. He's like,
Yes.
I know you. Are you the guy on YouTube?
Yes, I see you. One love Jamaica, no problem. Yeah.
Thank you.
Take good care, man.
Yeah.
One love to Ghana. One love to the world. You know, peace.
Yeah.
One love.
Yeah. Jamaica, I'm so glad to be here because Jamaica is more like Ghana, like I can connect more. Word Jamaica comes from our local language.
Okay.
So when the enslaved Africans were here, they were more like stuck, right? They couldn't go back to where they came from.
Right.
So we normally say Jamaica. Jamaica in our language means we are stuck. Are we stuck? You know, stuck on an island. So Jamaica. So I know it has something to do with indigenous people living here before other people arrived.
So green. Oh my god.
See the flag? This flag.
Oh yeah.
Pan-African flag.
The Pan-African flag?
That was designed by the first national hero of Jamaica, Marcus Garvey.
Wow.
Wode Maya, the esteemed YouTuber from Ghana, consistently garners high praises wherever his travels take him. His genuine curiosity, respect for diverse cultures, and ability to connect with people on a profound level have earned him admiration and acclaim across the globe. Whether he's exploring the bustling streets of Accra or venturing into the heart of Jamaica, Wode Maya's infectious enthusiasm and positive energy leave a lasting impression, resonating with locals and viewers alike. His unwavering passion for storytelling and his genuine interactions with individuals from all walks of life have solidified his reputation as a beacon of positivity and cultural appreciation in the world of travel vlogging.
Connection between our people from all around the world. That is why I enjoy watching you and following you all these years. You're educational, got a lot of knowledge, and trying to get it all together, which is fantastic.
That is the common goal. I feel like that is the best description of what I do.
What can I say?
My husband's dream, and this is just unbelievable. So this is nice. This is
Now
nice.
he's gonna see himself on the video.
I know. So that'd be nice.
Very
He's gonna see himself. No, I want to.
said, it does not stop me from following you on YouTube. Should it?
Not at all. But I was super shocked when he's like, I know you.
I do know you. And I am very happy to see you in my homeland.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I believe in you here to enjoy the beauty, the food, the warmth, the people. But I'm sorry, I have to move on.
And I want to say, have a safe journey back to America, but continue to carry the flag of Jamaica with you everywhere you go. Yeah,
and I'm leaving you in my hometown.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have a great time here. You know, I mean, I'm really in good hands. They've been taking very good care of me.
Yes.
Yeah, and and I want to say, have a safe flight. Can I give you a hug for all the videos you've been watching? Oh, that's the hug came with a kiss. I love that. Thank you, and have a safe trip.
Thank you, my new son.
Oh, that's beautiful. I don't want to cry because this is the love that I've been. I don't want to cry because this is the love that I've been receiving from the very first day that I touched down in Jamaica. I feel like the lost son of Jamaica that have returned, and everybody is like, welcome home, son. Welcome home, kid. Welcome home, bro. Welcome home. And wow, finally. Good to see you. I don't want to cry. Men don't cry. Nothing but pure love from the people.
Thank you for joining us on this tranquil journey through Wode Maya's first visit to Jamaica on Just Relax Man. We hope you found moments of peace and inspiration in his adventure. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more relaxing content. And don't forget to show your support for Wode Maya by subscribing to his channel and exploring the incredible stories he shares from around the world. Together, let's continue spreading positivity, cultural appreciation, and relaxation through our shared love for travel and exploration. Thank you for watching, and until next time, just relax, unwind, and keep exploring.
Jamaica is beautiful. I wish I can end with Jamaica, the land. Hey, no, I end with Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, the. How? Did I forget the anthem? It's Jamaica. Jamaica. Jamaica.
Loud.
Jamaica, land we love.
And we do.
We really do. Goodbye, and I'll see you all once again.